Hi everyone, it's the JuliArt here, and today it's a creepy peekaboo skull. So now, you will need a silicone mold for a skull, of course. We will be using UV resin for this project, and then whatever your favorite glitters or mica powders are. And this is very simple. We are going to take our UV resin, mix in our glitter and flakes, and we're going to do a slush coat. So we're going to spread it around inside this mold. Now this one has a deep eye socket, which is good. But you mix it up, you're going to pour it in, and then we're going to brush it around or roll it around till we get coats. And we're going to do this about 3 times. I will tell you that with UV resin, if you warm it, it's a thinner viscosity. If you chill it, it's a thicker viscosity. I like to work with it when it's thicker, so it really coats well on the inside. It doesn't run down before I can get the light to it. But we're just going to keep doing that, building that up. And like I said, about 3 layers, but you do whatever you want to do. Just remember that you want it thick enough that it can handle being demolded, okay? Because we're going to cut the eyes out and put a scenery inside. Now, you could 3D print a little scenery, model it inside. You could fill it back up with clear resin. I printed a photo for this one. So, but there we are. So we have our coats. And like I said, we are going to paint the inside of this. Now you could brush paint it. I just spray painted it. And if I had any residue that came out, you just wipe it off with an acetone or with alcohol. No worries. Now here I've just put a little bit of soap just so it pops out of that mold real easy. Look at that. And we haven't even got the black paint on it yet. So now you just want to make sure it's really cured well before we start cutting out the eye and nose area. And I'm just using a nail Dremel for this. You could use whatever you have, but get it out and then get it cleaned up. And then this is just one of those picture frames, canvas, wood canvas. I've just spray painted it black because we're going to light this. And so you can see the overspray there, and I just wiped it off with some acetone. And there we are, sitting it on the base. Now, these little LED light that I have, I absolutely love because they're tap on and tap off. So there's no cords or anything. You just go up, touch it, boom, it's on for a little bit, and then it goes back off. So here's this little picture that I found. I love this little 3D skeleton photo. And then I've got some, just some mosses or fiber, whatever you'd like. It'll make it kind of look creepier, if you will. I love the moss because it looks like an old cornfield or some kind of, like weeds. And you're going to see what I mean here in a minute. So I've just tucked everything inside the skull and set the skull down over the base. And here we go. I tapped it, and then I'm going to zoom in so you can see. And there's our little photo in the background. Now, I would have probably, or not would have, I should have done it on photo paper because it would have been, or like a matte photo paper. It would have just been more intense instead of my sticker paper. But there it is. Peekaboo skull. Hope you enjoyed, have fun, and we'll catch you later. Happy Halloween.